everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I hope today has been treating you well. In today's video, this video idea came to me earlier in the week when yet again I slept through my alarm and I had 15 minutes from the moment that I woke up to the moment that I had to be stepping into my car to go to work. So taking off, a couple of minutes for brushing my teeth and a couple of minutes to throw on something that was a little bit clean, I gave myself like 10 minutes to do my makeup. I usually like to take my time in the morning. I usually like to give myself an hour from when I wake up to the moment that I leave so that I can have a cup of tea, so that I can wake myself up and do my makeup in a way that I like. I had 10 minutes. I managed to do it, but it was like, it was craziness. So that's what we're going to do today, a 10-minute makeup routine, and hopefully it's going to be a little bit more than just a bit of concealer and a bit of mascara. I've brought over my pastel roses because I want to use this one specifically, which matches my nails beautifully. This one up at the top, which is called Solar. I think I want to try and use that one. I mean, I'm being real optimistic and I've brought over a liquid liner, but we're just gonna see what I can manage to get done in 10 minutes. And I'm going to set a timer on my phone and I'm gonna try and hook it onto my drawers so that you can see that I'm not cheating. And also it's just gonna be a mad rush and I'm probably going to be talking very, very quickly. So if you like this video idea, give this one a big thumbs up. If you want to see me try and do this in 5 minutes, let me know. I think that would be a real struggle. It usually takes me 5 minutes just to do my brows. Look how little I have. It usually takes me 5 minutes just to do the brows. So we've got 10 today. I'm hopeful. Let's see how we go. So like I say, I have got the 10-minute timer set up on my phone, and where can I hook this? If I do that, I know you can't see what it says probably. It's got 10 minutes on it, so also I've already got all of the products out, so I'm already cheating. I've already dampened a makeup sponge, but 10 minutes. Let's go. So if I'm in an incredible rush, I'm not doing foundation. I'm just putting concealer everywhere. And this is my favourite one for this sort of purpose, where I want quite a lot of coverage. I want it to be a matte finish and I want it to sort of match me quite nicely. This is the Sleek In Your Tone Longwear Concealer. This is a new one. If you've been watching my Project Pan updates, I finished it. I finished the one that was in my Project Pan. So just blending this out with a sponge, and I'm not expecting this to give me a lot of coverage. I just want to sort of even things out a little bit, and I do feel like blending out with a sponge for me is quicker. I know a lot of people do prefer using, brushes and things like that. I think it's because I've got dry skin. I just love using sponges wherever I can. So, I put too much product on my forehead. My nose is really red at the minute because hay fever doesn't stop when summer stops in this household. I'm still really struggling. So, is all of that blended out? Mostly. The problem is I need to remember to still be talking, because just seeing me beat my face up is not entertaining. For bronzer, I think that powders just generally are quicker, so I'm using the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer, and this is in Forever Sun Kissed, and just working this in to warm up the skin. And a cream product would maybe last longer without having any foundation on or anything like that, but for speed, we are going for powders. I don't need to worry about, you know, blending down my neck. I did wear this top on purpose so that I only had to take my bronzer. So far, I am just going to very roughly run that bronzer over my eyelids as well. For blush, the Milani Baked Blush in Berry and More, and another Real Techniques blush brush. Add a little bit of this. I do like these sort of glowy blushes because then I don't have to worry about highlight, like as if I would worry about something like that, but I don't have to think about then adding another product. It just does it all in one, and I'm so excited to be using Berry and More. A little bit more. That rhymed, I wasn't expecting it to. You know, coming into autumn. Now, brows are where I am going to struggle. Just please excuse me if I don't talk much through this. This is the, oh no, not this one. Where, this one. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil, and this is in neutral brown. I'm just going to get another mirror because nothing that I brought over had a mirror. And I'm going to squiggle this through my brows. This is the waterproof one, the new one that they brought out. And I do feel like if I do this correctly, I don't need to use a brow gel. This almost has a little bit of hold to it. When I ordered this one, I ordered it in deep brown as well. That was the first one that I picked up, but I haven't tried that yet. So I didn't want to risk a really dark, intense brow with that deep brown or dark brown, whatever it was, brow pencil when I'm used to neutral brown. How much time do we think we have left? Oh, 5.5 minutes. We've got 5.5 minutes left. I can take my time. I mean, I'm not going to take my time, but I'm going to do brow gel as well, but I do just want to brush this through. I'm losing my cardigan. Just brush this through with a spoolie on the other end. And I mean, they're lighter than what I usually do, but they will certainly do. e.l.f. Wow Brow will make me feel better. I love that pencil. It is really, really quick. You can't do anything very precise with it, but if I'm running late, I need my brows on. I feel like I look like a thumb if I don't have my brows on, so I'm happy to even be this far, truly. Very, very happy. And because I have already put that bronzer like a little bit through the crease, I feel like I'm already happy with like the basis of the eye. So I'm going to use that Pastel Roses shade, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and tap that across the lid. It matches my nails so nicely, that's why I wanted to use it. Finally got my autumn nails. You know what that means. It's autumn! And I am starting the pre-filming for Everyday October. So the madness and this energy will continue. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush. I've just put that on all over the lid with my finger, and I'm just going to tap over the edges with a clean fluffy brush. How much time do we have left? 3 minutes 20. Do I try and do a wing? I'm gonna do it. The 17 Ink Legend Tattoo Liner in bronze. Oh, I'm shaking. I can't talk and do this at the same time. So quick. So quick. panic. Is this entertaining? Just watching me slowly apply eyeliner. Oh, do you like the way that my windows are howling? It's so windy today. And it's like when the wind blows from a certain direction, like blows through my window because they're so old. Like the house is so old. Right, that's the liner on. Stop complaining about how old your house is. The Catrice Fake It mascara, which I would choose this one because it's really thick and like volumizing, and if I only had time for one layer, I could get away with one layer and I'd be happy with that. So that's my reason for choosing this one. And again, it's just very, very quick. I am amazed. Oh, 1 minute 47. Oh, I've got so much time. Tell me about your day. Tell me, how's your day been so far? I truly did not believe that I would get an eyeshadow and a wing on when I started this challenge. I mean, just look at that mascara, it's so dramatic. I probably shouldn't, if you've seen any of my videos recently, you know I probably shouldn't be rushing mascara. I will either get this all over my nose or actually jab this straight into my eyeball. Right, I'm gonna try. Oh, 59 seconds. Right, I'm gonna try and just apply a little second coat to the lashes. Yes, the drama. If you want like big lashes, this mascara is fantastic, but I do also recommend the lash serum that I've been using. It's so, so good. I'll talk about it at the end if I have time. The Essence 8 Hour Matte Comfort Lip Liner. This is the new one that I tried recently in Pillow Talk. No, not Pillow Talk. Cushion Talk. I can't talk whilst I do my lips. How long have we got left? 15 seconds. And, oh, the MUA Satin Sheen Lip Stylo in Super Nude. A 10-minute face. And breathe. I don't think I'm going to change anything. I mean, apart from that little bit of mascara that I've got on my eyelid, but other than that, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we've got a multi-chrome, we've got a winged eyeliner, we've got lip liner and a lipstick. The lipstick that I just completely rushed over at the end there was the MUA Satin Sheen Lip Stylo in Super Nude. If you saw the video where I was doing my wedding makeup, I found it. It was under the microwave. Like, how is this not melted? I don't know, but my favourite lipstick. And the lip liner was Cushion Talk, not Pillow Talk. The lash serum that I was saying about, I'm not on the clock now, so I can talk freely, is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. I do find that since I've been using this, and I've been using this for a while now, has it been like, I'll have to look back over my Beauty Bay order. I got this for free from Beauty Bay, and it's worth, like, it was like a gift with purchase, and this is worth like £45. I would 100% repurchase it, and I am going to repurchase it soon, but I do find that I have to apply less mascara to get a more dramatic look. So that's like a high maintenance thing that I do to make my morning routine more low maintenance, and I am not a low maintenance kind of gal. So that is my 10-minute makeup look. I love that multi-chrome. Like, I need to just swatch it for you. I have already swatched these before when I got them, but I mean, it matches my nails so perfectly. I only got these done yesterday. Look. And that's Solar. Did I say that's what that one was called? Yeah, Solar. It's so pretty. If I hold it up like that, you'll be able to see. Look how perfectly it matches the nails. I love. Can you tell I am in autumn mode? So, like I said, I found that quite easy. Would you like to see a 5-minute makeup look? Because I feel like I've smashed that. Proud of myself. Proud. So if you want to see a 5-minute makeup look challenge, let me know. Comment down below. It won't have a wing and it won't have a duochrome across the lid. It'll probably be 2 brushes at the same time. Madness. But if you want to see that, leave it down below. More than happy to do it. We'll probably post about that in Everyday October. I am posting every single day in October, but until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.